Are you looking for the best mini tools 2026 has to offer? Whether you're a mini tool enthusiast or just looking for useful tools for men and women, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the 20 coolest mini tools that will literally change your daily life. From titanium multi-tools and magnetic screwdriver sets to the most innovative Amazon EDC tool essentials, these are the smart tools you didn't know you needed until now. These must-have tools are perfect for survival, travel, or just tackling those annoying everyday tasks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tool reviews and updates. Let's dive into the top EDC items of 2026. When unexpected tasks pop up, having a tool that does it all is a game changer. The Giriaitus Multitool is a 7-in-1 compact solution featuring a wrench, bottle opener, car window breaker, pry bar, and flat Phillips screwdriver. Perfect for cycling maintenance, outdoor adventures, camping, and household repairs. It combines versatility with portability, fitting easily on your keychain or in your bag. Crafted from heat-treated forged alloy stainless steel, this multi-tool delivers durable, reliable performance whenever you need it, making it an essential everyday carry companion for any situation. When adventure calls, having a reliable all-in-one tool is essential. The Wetols Multitool is a 27-in-1 stainless steel EDC gear featuring needle nose pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, a serrated blade, hammer, fire starter, whistle, window breaker, and more. Perfect for survival, camping, outdoor activities, or emergencies. It combines versatility and durability in one compact package. Made from hardened stainless steel with an ergonomic design, it's resistant to corrosion and comfortable to use. With an included sheath, this multi-tool is a must-have for explorers, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone seeking dependable everyday carry. Functionality. Tackling tasks on the go is easier with a tool that does it all. The Sulkada Multi-Tool Hammer is a 15-in-1 camping and survival gear combining a hammer, pliers, wire cutters, serrated and straight blades, and multiple screwdriver bits for versatile use. Crafted from high-quality materials, it offers durability and reliable performance. Its foldable, compact design fits easily in toolboxes, backpacks, or bags, while the ergonomic textured handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip. Ideal for outdoor adventures, emergency fixes, or everyday tasks, it also makes a unique gift for birthdays or Valentine's Day. Be ready for anything with the Giriaitus EDC Multitool, a compact 7-in-1 tool combining a knife, wrench, folding knife, screwdriver, bottle opener, ruler, urgent car window breaker, and seatbelt cutter. Built with high-quality CNC craftsmanship, it's heat-resistant, corrosion-proof, and designed for precise, durable performance. Perfect as a car emergency tool, it keeps you safe with a secure locking blade and quick-access glass breaker. Portable and versatile, it's ideal for hiking, travel, or outdoor adventures, and makes a practical gift for men who value functionality and preparedness. Stay prepared anywhere with the Honoson Tool Pen, a 6-in-1 multifunction gadget combining a ballpoint pen, stylus, ruler, level gauge, cross screwdriver, and slotted screwdriver. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, it's lightweight, stable, and comfortable for smooth writing. This portable pen is perfect for on-the-go fixes, quick measurements, or digital device navigation, making it a practical companion for work, travel, or daily tasks. Compact yet versatile, it's an ideal gadget gift for men, dads, engineers, or tool enthusiasts, offering 6 essential tools in one sleek, easy-to-carry design. When practicality meets portability, the Giriaitus Pry Bar Wrench Tool is your go-to EDC companion. This compact multi-tool combines a flat Phillips screwdriver, folding knife, box cutter blade, bottle opener, and durable steel handle in one sleek design. CNC forged for strength and corrosion resistance. It's perfect for prying, chiseling, scraping, lifting, or emergency tasks like breaking glass. Lightweight and easy to carry on a keyring, lanyard, or backpack, it's ideal for cycling, camping, carpentry, and everyday use. A versatile, reliable gadget, it's a must-have tool for men and outdoor enthusiasts. Tackling tasks anywhere is effortless with a tool built for versatility. The Hanshi Wrench Multitool is a 16-in-1 survival and camping companion, featuring an adjustable spanner, hammer, nail puller, pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, bottle opener, can opener, fish scaler, and knife. Made from high-hardness stainless steel with anti-corrosion treatment, it delivers long-lasting durability and dependable performance. Its compact, foldable design fits neatly in backpacks, toolboxes, or bags, while the ergonomic handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip. Perfect for outdoor adventures, emergency repairs, or everyday tasks, it also makes a practical gift for men. Tackling repairs is simpler with a tool that adapts to every job. The Sucker Magnetic Screwdriver Set is a 42-in-1 multi-bit ratchet screwdriver kit, perfect for furniture assembly, appliance maintenance, bicycle repairs, and DIY projects. Equipped with 8 long and 32 short magnetic screwdriver bits and an ergonomic T-handle, it allows smooth switching between forward, backward, and locked modes. Made from durable aluminum alloy and S2 steel, the bits and handle withstand frequent use. Compact and portable with a storage box, this versatile set is ideal for home, work, or emergency repairs. When everyday problems strike, the Keyport Utility Plus kit keeps you prepared. This compact EDC set combines a premium mini LED flashlight and an 11-in-1 keychain multi-tool with a bottle opener, screwdrivers, cord, box cutter, scoring tool, and hex bit driver. The ultra-bright USB-C rechargeable LED has 3 modes and is IPX4 water resistant, while the multi-tool is TSA friendly and built for quick fixes anywhere. With a pocket clip and modular Keyport system, it's easy to carry on belts, bags, or backpacks. Perfect for home, travel, camping, or as a thoughtful gift. When outdoor adventures call, the Funbro multi-tool Carabiner keeps you ready for anything. This 6-in-1 EDC gadget combines a sharp knife, bottle opener, glass breaker, Phillips and slot screwdrivers, and a carabiner. Perfect for camping, hiking, or everyday carry. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it's sturdy, corrosion-resistant, and long-lasting. The locking liner mechanism ensures safe use, while its compact, portable design fits easily on backpacks or keychains. Ideal as a practical stocking stuffer or gift for mums, wives, or anyone who loves functional, stylish gear for outdoor activities. Be prepared for any situation with the Wuben rechargeable flashlight. Delivering up to 2,000 lumens, its dual 180-degree rotatable lamp heads provide both spotlight and floodlight modes simultaneously, perfect for home use, camping, or emergencies. With 6 thrower modes, 3 flooder modes, and a memory function, it adapts to any lighting need. Built with IP68 waterproof aircraft-grade aluminum, it's durable and reliable. The 4,800 mAh battery charges devices on the go, while the magnetic tail cap and pocket clip offer hands-free convenience. Fast, bright, and versatile, the L1 flashlight is an essential outdoor companion. Stay prepared for quick fixes with the Mudder Pen Screwdriver, an 8-in-1 magnetic pocket multi-tool designed for precision tasks. Each pen-shaped Tuz tool holds 8 interchangeable screwdriver heads, secured by a magnetic base for easy access. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for homeowners, DIYers, or tech enthusiasts to tackle electronic assemblies, home repairs, or mini gadget adjustments on the go. Crafted from durable aluminum, it ensures long-lasting performance. Changing bits is simple. Just unscrew the pen top to select the head you need. This handy tool is a versatile addition to any toolbox, office, or travel kit. Be ready for anything with the Giriaitus Pocket Wrench, a 9-in-1 small multi-tool designed for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. This compact gadget combines an adjustable wrench with a knurled design, mini pry bar, nail puller, caliper, bottle opener, keychain clip, and measuring ruler. Crafted from heat-treated forged alloy stainless steel, it's durable for home, workshop, bicycle repair, camping, hiking, or survival situations. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily on your key organizer or backpack, providing quick adjustments, a solid grip, and versatile functionality whenever and wherever you need it. Stay prepared for any repair with the Fanaue Multibit Pocket Screwdriver, a professional-grade 10-in-1 magnetic repair toolkit. Designed for daily home improvement, this mini-precision screwdriver features 2 magnetic bit holes for low and high torque screwing. Its concealed magnetic storage holds 4 bits in 10 sizes, while the titanium alloy handle ensures durability and corrosion resistance. Lightweight and portable with a lanyard hole for easy carry, it's perfect for home, office, or field use. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, handymen, or anyone needing a reliable EDC multi-tool. Get ready to tackle any repair with the Jorest screwdriver set, a 19-in-1 EDC multi-tool designed for precision and convenience. Crafted from high-quality S2 steel with a 58 to 62 HRC hardness, it delivers strong torque and long-lasting performance. The magnetic screwdriver head securely holds screws, while the built-in handle stores 18 standard bits plus an extension rod for hard-to-reach areas. Its dual labor-saving design allows 360-degree rotation, making assembly and maintenance effortless. Perfect for bikes, furniture, electronics, and home appliances, it also makes unique Valentine's Day gifts, stocking stuffers, or thoughtful presents for men. When tasks demand versatility, your tools need to keep up. The Screwpop Toolkey is an original key-shaped 17+ multi-tool with an ultra-thin, lightweight EDC design crafted from heat-treated stainless steel in silver. With 17-in-1 functions including magnetic Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, bottle opener, files, rulers, pry bar, wire stripper, and more, it handles everyday repairs and emergency fixes with ease. The integrated rare earth neodymium magnet secures screws, while the matte finish ensures grip and durability. Compact and portable, it attaches to key rings, carabiners, or fits neatly in your wallet for on-the-go convenience. When efficiency and durability matter, you need a tool that can handle it all. The Graceease Multifunction tool is a 4-in-1 EDC gadget, featuring an unpacking knife, screwdriver, M8 board handle, and more. Made with a titanium alloy base and steel blade, it's corrosion-resistant, lightweight, and built to perform in wet or rugged conditions. Compact and rotatable, it's perfect for daily wear, home tasks, or outdoor adventures. With precision construction and sleek design, this tool excels at opening cartons, DIY fixes, and emergency jobs, making it a reliable companion wherever you go. When adventure demands versatility, the Gerber Gear Pocket Knife delivers. This 8-in-1 multi-tool combines a plain-edge blade with a frame lock, pry bar, hammer, awl, saw, bottle opener, 2-sided 1/4-inch bit driver, and pocket clip for ultimate everyday carry. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's lightweight yet tough, perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. Its compact design fits easily in your pocket for quick access, making it ideal for hunters, tradesmen, and outdoor enthusiasts. A must-have addition to camping gear, backpacks, toolkits, and EDC setups. When everyday problems strike, you need a tool that adapts instantly. The YIN Sliding Double Head Tool is a versatile EDC companion crafted from GR5 titanium, built for outdoor use, home, office, or even toys. Its dual head design features an A-terminal prying head for unpacking and dismantling, and a B-terminal with screwdriver heads, a bottle opener, and small repair functions. Rotating dual-head switching allows smooth, intuitive changes between functions. With ergonomic grips, a removable clip, a tritium tube, and multiple tools including a hex wrench and a crowbar, it's a portable, multifunctional solution for work, play, and emergencies. For small spaces and delicate plants, precision matters. The Tyssely Mini Garden Tools set includes a tiny shovel, trowel, and hand rake, each crafted with solid wood handles and durable metal heads. Rust-proof and break-resistant, these tools are built to last. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, they make digging, loosening soil, and transplanting effortless. Perfect for indoor gardening, they handle potted plants, succulents, bonsai, and small garden beds with ease. Compact and portable, this set is ideal for gardeners who want efficient, reliable tools for every small-scale planting task. That's our list of the 20 coolest mini tools for 2026. Which of these compact gadgets was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. We love hearing about your EDC setup. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves cool tech. Check the links in the description for the best prices on Amazon for all the gear featured today. For more unboxing videos and gadget comparisons, click the playlist on the screen right now. Thanks for watching and stay prepared.